Okay, my fellow YouTubers, this is an example of reasons you may want to use spot focusing instead of the wide area. So I have my other camera here with 3 different items. If you just hold the shutter button halfway, like I was saying in the previous video, it focuses on the closest thing. But what if you want to take a picture of the little man in the front? You can either touch the screen. If your camera does that, it'll focus on that one. You want to go to the back one, it'll focus on that one. So cancel. Again, it focuses on the first thing, but that's not always what you want. For the Sony cameras, if you push function and you get into there, you see the wide area. You've got zones, which could be anywhere in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see that gray square. Your camera may have something different. So there's center focusing, which you can also move around. Nope, that one doesn't do that. Sorry about that. This is the old menu. Flexible spot goes to the middle. You can move it to the right, goes to that one, move it to the left, goes back to that one. So that's just a sample of why you would not want to use wide. Thank you.